Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about traffic, and I'm going to talk about a Warrior Plus product or service that will drive quality traffic to your affiliate link. And I'm talking about real buyers, and in a moment I'll show you why. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I'll reply as soon as I can. Now, the product I'm talking about, it's called the Click Engine. Probably you have heard about it because it has been promoted by marketers all around the world every single day. And the reason why I and them are doing this is because it is really worth it. Like I said, this is a Warrior Plus product and it costs less than $5 every single month, so it's just a cup of coffee every single month. Also, it has an affiliate program, and if you manage to find 2 referrals, then you will have traffic for life for free. The commissions you'll earn from those referrals will cover the cost of the Click Engine of your monthly subscription. Now, the moment you purchase the product, you will jump right to this sales page, or rather you can call it the dashboard of the Click Engine. And what I suggest you to do right away is watch this whole video, because Jeff, who is the owner and developer of the Click Engine, will show you exactly how you can promote your affiliate link. But let me just do that for you. So the moment you sign up and purchase the product, all you have to do is get your affiliate link and send it via mail to Jeff. Within 24 hours, or at least 24 hours later, your link will be added to the rotator of the Click Engine, and whenever the users or visitors click on the rotator, your link will share the traffic that it's getting from all the users. Okay, so as you can tell from this sales page, there is a lot of information, but you can notice, if you surf just once, you can notice that there is no surfing feature, there are no advertising credits or stuff like that that you can find that you can find in general in other traffic exchange sites or safe lists, right? But let me show you how this really works. So every single day, every 24 hours, you will get an email from Jeff from the Click Engine. Let me just jump to my Gmail account and let me show you how the email will look like. So the Click Engine, there you go. So this is the email that every user of the Click Engine gets every single day, and when you click on it, there is a link. This is the rotator that also contains your affiliate link. So whenever someone clicks on this link, it will randomly show one affiliate link for every user. So if you close it, you go back again and you click, it will show another URL, and your link will also be included in this rotator of the Click Engine. So you can tell that these are quality clicks because no one is forced to surf your link in order to gain advertising credits and then use those credits to advertise their own link. So every visitor will go in their Gmail inbox and will willingly click on the rotator and explore what other users are promoting. And if they find your affiliate link or your offer, whatever you are advertising, interesting, they will sign up on your program, on your platform as your referral. So that's why these are quality clicks. These are not people that are paid to serve, right? And the more active you are, you will gain double the traffic, because as you can read here, every day 3 active members websites will be highlighted in the daily email, just like this one. These 3 links here are 3 active members websites that are active on a daily basis. So I strongly recommend that you be active on a daily basis, and your link will be in one of these spotlights. Okay, now let me show you again some other results that I got from the Click Engine in the past 14 days. Let me just jump to leadsleap.com. As always, I use Leadsleap to track my traffic. Let me just go to the rotators, and by the way, I suggest that you when you promote the link in the Click Engine, you send a rotator link to Jeff via email, because if you send a rotator and later on you want to change what you are promoting, you can do it within the rotator, and thus you will save 24 hours for the link to be updated in the Click Engine rotator, right? So this is the link that I'm promoting for the Click Engine. As you can see here, rotator for the Click Engine. Let me just click on the statistics, and again, these are for the past 14 days. Now, you don't get a lot of clicks every single day, but these are quality clicks that you get, and as you can see, the conversion percentage is great. Okay, out of 50 real people, 2 signed up on whatever I'm promoting in the Click Engine. Alright, like I said, it costs less than $5 every single month, and if you manage to find 2 referrals, you will have traffic for life. Also, I suggest that you read every information here. There is a ton of information, and Jeff knows what he's doing. He's been around for quite a while, and he's a successful online marketer. He quit his 9-to-5 job, and he makes his living online, supports his family only by earning online as an affiliate marketer. And you can tell here that the price is $4.90 every single month, just a cup of coffee every single month. Now, initially you can promote only one link in the Click Engine, but if you want to get more traffic, there is another feature that you can purchase, and you will be able to promote another affiliate link, and you will get double the traffic. And I think that it costs like $14 or maybe $7. I don't remember now, but first you try it for 1 week with one link, see how it goes, and then if you feel that it's working for you like it is for me, you can purchase the additional spot on the Click Engine rotator. Alright, so if you want to purchase this product, then make sure to check out the comment section down below. I will leave my affiliate link. I guess this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like I said, hit that like button if you did like the video, and whatever questions you have, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn ways to earn money online, then just click the video on the screen, and I'll see you in there. Have a nice day. Cheers.